Today we be looking at holistic approaches to combat ear infections. In the quiet moments of our lives, the gentle sounds of nature are a soothing melody. But when ear pain strikes, it's as if that melody turns into a cacophony, disrupting our peace and serenity. Ear infections, a common plight, affect not just our hearing but our overall well-being. They remind us of the delicate balance within our bodies and the importance of nurturing every part of ourselves. Today we explore the world of holistic solutions, a path that seeks not just to treat symptoms, but to harmonize the entire body. It's a journey into well-being that respects our body's natural rhythm. Let's start with the basics. Prevention. Strengthening our immune system is crucial. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains lays the foundation of health, making us less susceptible to infections. Hydration plays a pivotal role too. Drinking plenty of water ensures that our mucous membranes remain moist and more capable of fighting off pathogens. It's a simple step, yet profoundly impactful. Herbal remedies offer gentle, effective relief. Garlic, known for its antimicrobial properties, can be consumed or applied as an oil. Similarly, ginger, with its anti-inflammatory benefits, can soothe discomfort. Echinacea, a powerhouse herb, boosts the immune system, while essential oils like tea tree and lavender, used in a diffuser, can purify the air and promote healing. Chiropractic care, though not often associated with ear infections, can enhance lymphatic drainage and improve ear drainage, thereby reducing the risk of infection. Probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that support our gut health, also play a role in ear health. A healthy gut contributes to a strong immune system, offering another layer of protection. Acupuncture, a practice that dates back thousands of years, can also provide relief. By targeting specific points, it aims to restore balance and facilitate healing throughout the body. But perhaps the most important remedy is patience. Healing takes time, and a holistic approach is about nurturing, not rushing. It's about listening to our bodies and giving them the care they need. In the end, our journey through ear infections leads us to a deeper understanding of health. It's a reminder that every part of us is connected, and by caring for ourselves holistically, we find true harmony and wellness. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.